guys, we're still stuck here at Glenthorne. Apparently help's on the way. Just thought I'd post a video of an update of the conditions here. Holly's still here with me. Still coming up, even though some people are saying it's falling. Waiting to be picked up, hopefully by a boat, if not a helicopter.